It's Kim, the Homeschooling Grammy, and I'm coming at you today with an unboxing of my Beautiful Feet Early American History literature. All the literature that comes with this Beautiful Feet curriculum. So, if you are a regular to my channel, you will know that I just recently hosted a collaboration where we did a reveal of what we were going to be using for history in our 2019-2020 homeschool year. And I mentioned in there that I had this box of literature for this curriculum that I hadn't even had a chance to open yet because I have been away. So it's been kind of sitting to the side. I will go ahead and I will link in the iCards that video that I just did. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's wrong with me today. That video that I just did for history, geography, and social studies. If you'd like to go ahead and take a look at it, and I promised you that I was a lot more with it then. This is my second video today, and I'm kind of like stumbling all over myself. So anyways, if you're interested, stick around, and I'm going to show you all this yummy literature that comes with Beautiful Feet. Okay, so I already broke it open, and so this particular literature is for the second half of what could be a school year or for the following school year. So because we decided to go ahead and use this Early American History through Beautiful Feet for 2 years instead of 1. You can do it either way. We chose to break it up into 2 years. So this is actually going to be our second grade literature for Beautiful Feet. And there's all kinds of paper. So I will just go through really quick, and I'm just going to show you the books that we are going to be reading in second grade for history. And I just love Beautiful Feet. If you haven't heard me say that like 9 million times already, I'm going to say it again. Love it, love it, love it. The books are always so amazing. So okay, so the first book is Landmark Books Meet Abraham Lincoln, and then we have the catalog, sorry. Then the next book is The Year of the Horseless Carriage, 1801. And then we have a book by Marguerite Henry, Benjamin West and His Cat Grimalkin. And then we have a book by Jean Fritz, George Washington's Breakfast. And then we have a book by James E. Knight, Adventures in Colonial America, The Winter at Valley Forge, Survival and Victory. I'm really excited. This is the first time I've seen any of these myself. The next one is a book by Alice Dalgleish. I think that's how you say it. The 4th of July Story. And it also comes with the CD. The first half of the curriculum had 2 CDs. This one just has the one. It's the Heritage of Our Country series. We really like these. They're really fun to listen to. They're built right into the curriculum. It actually tells you when to listen to them. Then also there's by Ingrid and Edgar. Oh my goodness. I'm not even going to try the last name because I will mess it up badly. Anyways, book on Benjamin Franklin. And by the same author as the other one. A book on George Washington. And then by the same author again, a book on Abraham Lincoln. Same authors again, a book on Buffalo Bill. And last but not least, A More Perfect Union, The Story of Our Constitution by Betsy Maestro and Giulio Maestro. It's by the American Story series. And I'll just give you an idea how wonderful some of these books are. Like, I'll show you this one, just like how colorful and wonderful these books are. Like, they are just, as the curriculum says, beautiful. Like the Buffalo Bill. Just fun, fun, fun. Absolutely love these. Highly recommend Beautiful Feet. You should really check them out. I'll leave a link in my description box down below. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this was useful for you. I hope it blesses you. And I will talk to you again soon. God bless.